Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Catolos, and in this video we're continuing to get you on board in 2019 by having a look at how you spend your time. So if you do this exercise, it would take you 20 minutes and it could save you hours in a week, it could save you dozens of hours in a month, it could even save you days throughout this year. So let's get into it. The first thing to do, draw one column and write above it time wasted. In the middle column, write on it cut down. And in the third column, time invested. So it's really simple. Look at how you're spending your time. You could do a personal one and a professional one. And look at where you're wasting your time and look at where you maybe want to invest your time. So it's really key to point out these are relative to you. I'm not saying these are good or bad. These are just some examples. You decide on what's right for you. So time wasted, a lot of people say I spend too much time on social media. Social media itself is not a waste of time, but how much time you're spending on it. Worrying is a big one, and endlessly scrolling on the internet. Some better examples of time invested in your life, in your health, in your relationships could be time spent on your relationships with your family and friends and business colleagues, in the gym, getting some good rest, or doing some reading. I'm a big fan of reading. So there's two ways that you can do this. You can either write the time wasted and say, actually I'm going to cut down on that, I'm going to spend more time on this. So literally take the time you would in one and spend it in another. So the time you spend on social media, if it's 4 hours, maybe you spend 1 hour in the gym, 1 hour in your relationships, and 2 hours getting some rest. If that sounds a bit scary though, try the second column. Cutting down is a really good tip. Say it was a social media one, as we're talking about that. Set a timer on your phone and say I'm going to go on it 3 times today and 10 minutes each one. You stick to that timer, that's 30 minutes spent on social media. The same with the worrying. It might sound silly, but the whole point of this, it's the middle bit now, it's being mindful of how you're spending your time. How you spend your time is up to you, you choose that. But often we spend it in ways we just repeat patterns and habits. Being mindful of saying, hang on a second, I don't want to spend my time doing this, I want to spend it on this. It's really, really going to be important and helpful in helping you to design your success really for the new year. So try it out today. A really good point to make on this is being mindful of how you're spending your time, not just spending all the time here and just thinking, how can I get extra time? It's not about getting extra time or more time, it's spending more time in the invested column. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this really useful. Take care, see you soon.